Wall Street, your roadmap to success. Ever wondered how to become a Wall Street trader navigating the world of stocks, bonds, and high finance? It might seem like this career path is reserved for a select few, but the truth is, with the right roadmap, it's achievable. Today, we're breaking it down step by step, giving you the ultimate guide to trading success. Welcome to Finance Gen, your go-to channel for all things finance. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your financial game, hit that subscribe button and join our community of finance enthusiasts. Alright, so you want to conquer Wall Street? It's a dream many have, but few achieve. The allure of the fast-paced environment, the potential for massive financial gains, and the prestige that comes with being a successful trader are undeniably attractive. But before you can even think about making it big, there's one crucial step you can't skip. The first thing you need is a rock-solid foundation. And I'm not talking about a fancy office building. I'm talking about education. This is where your journey truly begins. A strong educational background is the bedrock upon which you will build your career. Without it, navigating the complex world of finance would be like trying to sail a ship without a compass. Now, you don't need to be a rocket scientist, but most Wall Street traders, I mean the ones making the big bucks, they usually have a degree in finance, economics, or something similar. These degrees equip you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to understand the financial markets, analyze economic trends, and make informed decisions. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding the story those numbers tell. Think of it like this. A degree in these fields is like learning the language of Wall Street. Just as you wouldn't travel to a foreign country without knowing the language, you shouldn't step into the world of finance without understanding its terminology and concepts. This education will be your guide, helping you navigate the intricate and often volatile landscape of the financial markets. You'll understand things like financial modeling, market analysis, portfolio management, all that good stuff. These are the tools of the trade, the skills that will set you apart from the competition. Financial modeling, for instance, allows you to create representations of a company's financial performance, helping you predict future outcomes. Market analysis gives you insights into market trends and potential investment opportunities. Portfolio management teaches you how to balance risk and reward, ensuring that your investments are both profitable and sustainable. But hey, don't think a bachelor's degree is the finish line, it's just the beginning. The financial world is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead, you need to keep learning. Continuous education is key. Many professionals pursue additional certifications, such as the Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, designation, which is highly respected in the industry. Some people, they're hungry for more, they go for the gold, an MBA. An MBA program offers advanced knowledge in business and finance along with valuable networking opportunities. It's not just about what you learn in the classroom, it's about the connections you make and the experiences you gain. These programs often include internships and real-world projects, giving you hands-on experience that can be invaluable in your career. Now, an MBA from a top-tier school, that's like having a VIP pass to Wall Street. It opens doors that might otherwise remain closed. Employers know that graduates from these programs have been rigorously trained and are well prepared to tackle the challenges of the financial world. It's a significant investment, but one that can pay off in spades. It shows you're serious, you're dedicated, and you've got the skills to pay the bills. But more than that, it demonstrates your commitment to your career and your willingness to go the extra mile to achieve your goals. In a competitive field like finance, this can make all the difference. But remember, education is an investment. It's not just about the money you spend on tuition and books, it's about the time and effort you put into your studies. This investment can yield significant returns, but only if you're willing to put in the work. It's a long-term commitment, one that requires dedication and perseverance. You're investing your time, your money, and your energy. And it's not always easy. There will be late nights, challenging exams, and moments of doubt. But these are the times when your passion for finance will carry you through. If you're truly passionate about this field, the hard work will be worth it. So, make sure you're passionate about finance because trust me, it's a lot of work, but it's also incredibly rewarding. The knowledge and skills you gain will not only help you succeed in your career, but also give you a deeper understanding of the world around you. Finance is everywhere, from the stock market to your personal budget, and understanding it can empower you in many aspects of your life. But hey, if you're willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be huge. The financial gains, the career opportunities, the personal growth, it's all there for the taking. So if you're ready to embark on this journey, start with a solid education. It's the first step towards conquering Wall Street and achieving your dreams. Okay, you've got your education, you're feeling good, but here's the thing. Wall Street isn't just about textbooks and theories. It's a whole different ballgame when you step into the real world. The theories and concepts you learn in school are just the tip of the iceberg. The real challenge begins when you start applying them in a fast-paced, high-stakes environment. It's about real-world experience. And that's where internships come in. Internships are your gateway to understanding the intricacies of the financial world. They provide you with a platform to apply your academic knowledge in real-world scenarios, giving you a taste of what it's like to work in the industry. Think of internships as your test drive before you buy the car. They allow you to explore different roles and responsibilities, helping you figure out what you enjoy and where you excel. It's a chance to dip your toes into various aspects of finance, from trading to analysis to client management. You get to experience the Wall Street lifestyle firsthand, see if it's a good fit for you. You'll be right there in the thick of things, observing and participating in the daily operations. This hands-on experience is invaluable and can significantly shape your career path. And trust me, it's not all glamorous like in the movies. The reality of working on Wall Street involves a lot of hard work and dedication. The long hours and high pressure are part and parcel of the job. It's a demanding environment that requires resilience and a strong work ethic. There's going to be long hours, intense pressure, and a steep learning curve. But it's during these challenging times that you learn the most. You develop critical skills such as time management, problem solving, and the ability to work under pressure. These skills are not only essential for a career in finance but are also valuable in any professional setting. But that's where you prove yourself, you learn the ropes, and you make those crucial connections. Networking is a key component of internships. The relationships you build during this time can open doors to future opportunities. Mentors, colleagues, and even fellow interns can become valuable contacts in your professional network. Now, when it comes to internships, not all internships are created equal. Some offer more hands-on experience and learning opportunities than others. It's important to do your research and choose internships that align with your career goals and interests. You want to aim for the big leagues, the bulge bracket banks, the hedge funds, the top-tier financial institutions. These organizations not only provide the best learning experiences, but also have the resources and networks to support your growth and development. These internships are competitive, no doubt, but they offer the best learning experience and the highest potential for full-time offers. The competition is fierce, but securing an internship at one of these institutions can be a game changer for your career. Remember, your goal is to turn that internship into a full-time gig. This means going above and beyond, showing initiative, and demonstrating your value to the organization. Treat every task, no matter how small, as an opportunity to showcase your skills and work ethic. So network, ask questions, and soak up as much knowledge as you can. Take advantage of every learning opportunity, seek feedback, and continuously strive to improve. Your internship is a stepping stone to a successful career, so make the most of it. Alright, you've got the education, you've got the experience, but there's one more thing you need before you can officially call yourself a Wall Street trader: licenses and certifications. Think of these as your license to make money. Now, the most common ones you'll need are the Series 7 and Series 63. These are like the golden tickets to the world of securities trading. The Series 7, that's your bread and butter. It allows you to trade a wide range of securities like stocks, bonds, options, you name it. It's a tough exam, no sugarcoating it, but with the right preparation you can conquer it. Now, the Series 63, that's all about state regulations. Each state has its own rules and regulations when it comes to securities, and this license shows you know how to play by the rules. Now let's talk about something crucial for success on Wall Street, something that's not taught in textbooks: networking. In the world of finance, it's not always about what you know, but who you know. Networking is like building your own personal board of directors, people who can offer advice, open doors, and help you navigate the ups and downs of Wall Street. So, how do you network effectively? Well, first off, attend industry events. Conferences, seminars, workshops, these are all great places to meet people in the industry, learn about new trends, and exchange business cards. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, ask questions, and show genuine interest in what others have to say. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be ready to offer your own insights and experiences as well. Alright, you've put in the work, you've got the skills, you've built your network, now it's time to land that dream job on Wall Street. This journey is not just about having the right qualifications, but also about presenting yourself in the best possible light. First things first, your resume. This document is your ticket to getting noticed by potential employers. This is your first impression, so make it count. A well-crafted resume can open doors and set you apart from the competition. Tailor it to each specific job you're applying for, ensuring that it aligns with the job description and highlights your most relevant experiences. Highlighting your relevant skills and experience is crucial. Use action verbs and quantify your achievements to make a stronger impact. And don't forget about your cover letter. This is your opportunity to add a personal touch to your application. This is your chance to tell your story, to show your personality, and to explain why you're the perfect fit for the role. Make it engaging and specific to the company, and to explain why you're the perfect fit for the role. Use this space to demonstrate your enthusiasm and how your values align with the company's mission. Now let's talk about interviews. This is where you really get to shine and make a lasting impression. This is where you really get to shine, to show your passion for finance, and to demonstrate your communication skills, to show your passion for finance, and to convince the hiring manager that you're the one they need. Be prepared to discuss your knowledge of the industry in depth, and to convince the hiring manager that you're the one they need. Be prepared to answer technical questions about financial markets, trading strategies, and risk management. Be prepared to answer technical questions about financial markets, trading strategies, and risk management. Show that you have a solid understanding of the concepts and can apply them practically, but also be ready to talk about yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, and your career aspirations. This is your chance to show your human side and how you fit into the company's culture. Practice common interview questions and have your answers ready. Confidence comes from preparation, so take the time to rehearse. Research the company thoroughly. Understand their values, their mission, and their recent achievements. This will help you tailor your responses and show that you're genuinely interested in the role. Remember, the interview is a two-way street. It's not just about them evaluating you, but also about you assessing if this is the right place for you. Good luck! So there you have it, your roadmap to conquering Wall Street. Remember, success in finance takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to constantly learn and adapt. But with the right mindset and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals and build a rewarding career on Wall Street. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more finance tips and guides. See you next time on Finance Gen.